So I think DJI might have actually made a pretty large mistake when they released this. This is the Mini 5 Pro and I'm super excited to get it. But let me explain to you why I think they made a mistake. So I quickly hopped onto ChatGPT here and I asked which drones have a 1-inch sensor, which the Mini 5 Pro has. And it came up with a short list of drones that have the 1-inch sensor. And here's the Mini 5 Pro in the middle of the list here, and if you look, it lists the price at about $1,000. I'm in Canada here, so that's the entry level, not the Fly More pack. And if you compare it with the two nearest neighbors, this DJI Air 2 is $1,330, so that's $300 more, and the 3S, which is about $800 more. And then if we hop over to the DJI website and we compare the Mini 5 Pro with the Air 3S, you can see the entry-level package is $300 more US. That's about 500 Canadian more. But let's take a look at a few of the specs that are important to me and why I think they made a mistake. If you look at flight time, that's always important. The 3S has 45 minutes. The Mini 5 Pro is 36 to 52 depending on your battery. So, I mean, 45 minutes is right in there. Now, maximum flight distance is 21 kilometers on the Mini 5. The 3S does have a 32 kilometer range. Guys, I've never flown more than 2 kilometers away from myself. But then here, depending on the battery, you can match that 32 kilometers. So there's no benefit there. If you look at the internal storage, it's also very important, 42 gigs. 42 gigs are the same. There's no advantage here, guys. Both drones have the 1-inch sensor, 50 megapixels. Yes, the 3S does have the additional sensor, but I don't really care at this point. I bought the bigger sensor to get away from the smaller sensor. So I'm still not seeing much of an advantage here. They're both 24 millimeter, they're both f1.8. And if you look at the video and photo specs, they're pretty much identical, guys. I don't see an advantage here. So unless there's something that I'm missing, then please feel free to leave a comment down below and let me know what it is that I'm missing. But why would I spend 2 or 3 times more on a drone which seems to have the same specs and more restrictions on it because of its size and weight? Please leave a comment down below. Tell me what I'm missing. But other than that, guys, that's why I think that DJI may have made a huge mistake when they released this drone.